Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find a T-Mobile store near you and make the most of your visit. Open your browser on your iPhone device and visit the T-Mobile store locator page. You'll see a search box where you can enter your zip code, city, or state. Type in your details and select a store from the search results. Now, you can view important information such as store hours, address, phone number, and distance to choose the closest and most convenient store. T-Mobile stores offer essential services, including in-store shopping, where you can browse and purchase the latest devices and accessories. Some stores offer curbside pickup, allowing you to pick up your order without leaving your car. You can also get device repairs for your phone or other T-Mobile devices. You can book an appointment for technical support or other services online for a more personalized experience. You can do so directly in store if you need to pay your bill. If you're ready for an upgrade, T-Mobile also offers trade-in services, allowing you to exchange your old device for a new one. For business users, there's business support available to help with mobile business plans and services. Some stores allow you to shop online, so you can check in stock phones, free phone deals, and special promotions before you visit. It's a great way to look for discounts and offers to get the best value on your purchase. If you need technical support for SIM issues, phone repairs, or other services, some stores allow you to schedule an appointment as a guest or log into your T-Mobile account. Checking store details before your visit saves time and makes your experience smoother, especially during the holidays. Visit a T-Mobile store today and explore the latest deals. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more helpful tips.